day, my viewers all over the world. I remain Saluma. Today, I'll be talking about the division of salt. Then, in my subsequent class of classes, I'll be talking about conjugator salt, division of salt. So, don't forget, the last class I spoke about multiplication, addition, and the subtraction of salt. At least by now, you now know the meaning of salt. But if this is your first time watching my video, please go and watch my video. I think I did justice to salt in the introduction of salt. So now let's talk about division of salt. Let's say I have root 2 um, times root 2 over 3 times root 4 all over 5. This is division as a division of salt. For us to solve this, you could just say that for don't forget my fundamentals of mathematics on how to multiply signs, numbers, and alphabets. So from here you have root 2 times 4, that is 8, all over what? 5 times 3, that is 15. You can break this one down to give us root 4 times 2 all over 15. I know by now you should understand how I got 4 times 2. If there's anything you don't understand, just be rest assured that I already explained it in my last class. Just go and watch the video. And you can watch each of my video, any topic I take, and you watch it the first time you don't understand. Go over it. By the time you watch it like 3, 4, 5, 6 times, there is no way you're going to understand it. But that's the principle of assimilation. Principle of assimilation. I think I did a video on how to become a genius. You can watch that video, it will really help you. So we have this to be square root of 4 is what 2 root 2 all over 15. So we have simplified this to this. So let's say we have another one. Let's say we have 2 divided by root 2. 2 divided by root 2. Now, you are dividing a whole number by a root number. By default, or by convention, by standard, when you are solving mathematics, your answer must not be left in a root form as denominator. Maybe you are solving a problem at the end, you now got something like 2 all over root 2. Your answer must not be left in this format. We tell you to do what? Rationalize. That is, ensure that this denominator becomes a whole number. Don't leave your answer in solid form, as in your denominator. Don't leave it in root form. Rationalize, convert that root to a whole number. And how do you do that? You'll see it here. Oh, I want to solve this now. For me to rationalize this, because the rule of salt is that what? My answer or my number must not be left in this way. Your root must not be a square root. You must not leave your answer in this format. So for me to solve this, I have to multiply the numerator. The upper part is called the numerator, and the lower part is called the denominator. So I'm going to multiply both the numerator by both the numerator and denominator by the denominator. In this question now, what is our denominator? Root 2 is our denominator. So it means that you are going to multiply the numerator 2 times root 2 all over root 2 times the denominator itself. That's what the rule says. So that you can be able to rationalize. You can be able to convert this root to a whole number. So that we now have 2 times this. What's the question of this root? Is 1, but it's not feasible. So go and watch my fundamental if I'm getting it wrong. So we have 2 root 2 all over root times root. We have root 2 times 2. That is 4. So we're going to have 2 root 2, that is 2 square root of 2, that's what they call 2 root 2, 2 root 2 all over 1 square root of 4, that is what? 2. So you have converted, you have rationalized this equation to this. So if you now look at this, can 2 go here? Yes. Can 2 go here? Yes. So we have 2 goes here, 1, 2 goes here, 1. So it means this expression will now be what? Root 2. So this is the answer. Root 2. Let me solve another one again. So for you to become a mathematician, you must solve mathematics, or mathematical problems consistently, always. When you take a topic, make sure at least you solve nothing less than 100 questions related to that topic so that it can be perfect. Any topic you are taught, either in physics, in chemistry, biology, accounting, commerce, make sure that every topic solve 100 questions. I tell you, nobody in this world will bring anything different. Even if you are in your, what do you call it, your higher institution. Maybe you are studying medicine, something in pathology. Maybe they have taught you one disease. Pick up that disease as a topic, learn it. Or they are giving you something on pharmacology. That topic in that pharmacology, look for past questions related to it. Just look for past questions related to it. Or they have taught you something on biochemistry. Oh, Krebs cycle or Demeyer pathway. All the questions from different universities, pick it concerning that topic. That is how to become. There is no two way about it. You become a genius that way. All right. Let's say we have root 4 divided by root 6. Solve this. I can even say, okay, let me go after this. So for me to solve root 4 divided by root 6, you come again. Simple operation again. What is square root of 4? You know that, yes, this is a perfect square root number. So we now have 2 all over. Does this one have the square root? No. So we have 2 all over root 6. And you cannot leave your answer in this way. No. Because you cannot leave square root as a denominator as the answer. No. You have to rationalize it. How do you rationalize? You multiply both the numerator and the numerator by the denominator. So it now be what? Times root 6 all over root 6. So this one will be 2 times this 2 root 6 all over, this is root 6 times 6, which is what? 36. So we now have 2 root 6 all over 1 square root of 36. That is what? 6. 2 goes here, 1, 2 goes here, 3. So we now have root 6 all over 3. So you have converted that root to a whole number. So this is now a rational number. So it's allowed. I mean the root, not the whole. But this is a fraction. But your denominator must be what? A number, a whole number, not a root number. That's a rule in mathematics, not even such. Generally in mathematics, your answer must not be left as root. So you rationalize. So that we call division of sort. That is how to divide sort. So the next, okay, let me just give us another one. I will still use the same. Okay, maybe I have root 4 all over root 6 plus root 3 all over root 2. So for me to solve this now, you find the LCM. This one cannot go in this, so or this one can go in this. Anyway, but let me do it in a way that it will be difficult a bit. Let me read root 7. I want to solve this now. Because if I don't do just this one goes in this, you can easily divide. No. Like this one now, for me to find the LCM, if you look at this, can this one go in this? No. Can this one go in this? No. So you pick these two as this. You pick root 7, you pick root 2. I want to believe that you understand when I put dots. Dot means product, which is times in further mathematics or in mathematics generally. So you now say, okay, let me use this one to divide it. Root 7 goes in root 7 dot root 2. That is root 7 dot root 2 divided by root 7. So this will cancel this. What is left? Root 2. So it's now be root 2 times root 4. That is root 2 times root 4. Root 2 times root 4, that's what? Square root of 8. That's root 8. So you have solved for this. Let's go to this. Root 7 dot root 2 divided by this. root 2. So this one cancel this. What is left? Root 7. So that will be root 7. That's root 7 times root 3. And that is what? Plus root 21. So you have to solve this. So by the time you multiply these two, you now have root 14. I've simplified it to make it very easy. So 7 times 2, that is 14. This is now root 8. You can still break root 8 down. You just think of it as I can still break root 8 down to give me 4 times 2. That's the all idea of it about salt. Plus, that's 21. How do I break down 21? If I say what are the factors of 21? You can have 3 times 7. Root 3 times root 7. Does it make any difference here? No. But what's square root of 3? Root square root of 7. So we are going to leave it as what? Root 21. Why I broke it down was to see whether I will see one of the factors to have a perfect square root. Assuming one of the factors is 4 now, I'll just say, what's square root of 4? That will be 2 root 7. But no, it does not have any factor that can have a perfect square root. So we leave it as root 21. So this is now what? Like the way I've broken this root 8, I got 4, which has a perfect square root. So we now have square root of 4, that is 2 times root 2 plus root 21 all over root 14. So that's the answer. It's as simple as A, B, C. So I'm going to stop here. So the next class, I'll talk about the conjugate of salt, or conjugate salt anyway. So please, thank you very much for watching my video. I remain Salumaj. Please, if you are not subscribed, do so now. Do so now. I have loads of videos coming. Loads of videos. If you are in College of Medicine, expect your own pharmacology, biochemistry, pathology, and anatomy. I'm already working something out on that. So pharmacy students, you also enjoy the package, even what they call it, physiology students, physiotherapy, human and nutrition, biochemistry students, all of you will enjoy what Salumaj has in store. Just keep watching, subscribe, tell others, tell your enemies, at least let your enemies get exposed. It's not, will they be beefing you? Let them also get exposed so that they will know that you're getting there. God bless you.